Hello YouTube, this is Give Me My iPhone here with my second tutorial today. Today I'll be showing you guys how to get the Android lock screen for your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. And it will work with the 6.0, and you must note that your iPod must be jailbroken before you do this. And just for an example of what it can look like, we're going to give you this. You can actually put it to say anything you want at the bottom. You can have the little camera symbol if you want to. You don't have to. Once you tap it, you have a couple themes you're going to be able to choose between right here, and then you type in your special code or move your special code and you're in. Now to get this started today, we're going to start by opening Cydia. Once Cydia opens and loads, you're going to want to go down to the bottom to the Manage tab, and then once you're into the Manage tab, you'll want to go to Sources. After sources, you're going to want to add the sinful iPhone repo source right here. That link will be in the description for you. And to add that, you're actually going to go up to the top, hit edit, add, and then you're going to add it. It's sinfuliPhoneRepo.com. Very simple. Add source. Once you add the source, you'll have that source. There's many different things that are in that source that are still pretty cool. I'll probably be showing some more videos on those too. Now, after we're done with that, and after you've got that installed, you're going to go to the search button at the bottom right, and then you're going to search Android Lock, all one word, XT Cracked. Now it should be the only one that comes up. Once it comes up, you're going to open it. You're going to install it just as you do with any other Cydia app. You can install it. I've already got it installed, so I'm not going to be installing it again. After you've finished installing it, it's going to ask you to respring your phone. Once you respring your phone, you're going to come up to your home page, open up settings, and then you want to go all the way down to the bottom to where you see the AndroidLock XT. After you get there, you're going to open that, and you have many different options. First thing you want to do, of course, is enable it. After you enable it, you're going to want to try these out. There's different settings for different people. Like, you like different things. You have your options to choose what you want to do here. We're going to start by going to change pattern. You're going to set your pattern. Since I already have one, I have to draw my pattern again. That's the pattern that I want. So I'm going to reset a new pattern by doing this. Draw the old pattern. Now draw a new pattern. I'm going to make a square. Now that it's set, you're going to go back and go into change appearance. Now what minimize does is it asks you how do you want to be able to get into your phone. Do you want it to tap to open? Do you want it to say nothing? Do you want to slide to open? That's your choice. After that, you have the option to have the camera button if you do or do not want it. And then where it says text strings unlock, it actually allows you to say whatever you want at the bottom of the screen. I'm just going to say jailbreak. Alright, now that we have that, you're going to go back. You're going to go into themes. Now there are 5 themes to pick between, whichever one suits you. The way to look at these themes is you actually click one. We're going to try the Pac-Man. Go back, and then you're going to go to change pattern, but you're not going to change the pattern itself. It just allows you to look at the theme itself, as you can see right here. And then we're going to try the regular Android Lock HQ. See. And then my personal favorite, which is the blades. Just smaller so you can still see your picture in the background. After we're done with that, after you select your theme, you're going to go into change behavior. What it does is error on wrong pattern allows you to get an error message that says that was wrong, or it comes up and tells you that you inputted the wrong password. And then pattern required is asking you when you want the pattern to be showed. You can set it for however many minutes you want, all the way up to 4 hours. And then you can also set it immediately, which is what I use. And then you have max attempt. You can actually set it to have a max attempt of how many times you can get it wrong. After that, it won't do anything to your phone. It will just block it for 30 seconds and won't allow you to open your phone for 30 seconds. And insecure mode and bypass passcode are just about the same thing. Insecure mode allows you to open your phone with external notifications. If you get a text message, if you get a game message or anything like that, you can actually open your phone without having to type in your password. Same thing with bypass passcode, is if you enable it, it allows you to go into it when you're in safe mode. And then skip pass pattern on the Wi-Fi network, meaning you can set up to where if you turn that on and set your network name to the bottom, whenever you're connected to that network, you won't actually have to type in your password. And then logging, the last section on the list, I really don't use. It just allows you to almost track what you've done, how many times you've gotten on your phone, so forth like that. But that's pretty much it. And after you do it, you can close your phone out, give it a second, and let it reboot. Once it reboots, see, my password's wrong. That's what it looks like when it's wrong. Of course, you look at the bottom, it says jailbreak at it, like I asked it to. And we're going to do my password. Get the green. And there we are, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll be looking to see you in the next few videos I'm making. Please rate, subscribe. Thank you.